Hello everyone, this is On Wall Street with thetradersperspective.com doing my midweek analysis. Before you have crude oil, looking at the weekly time frame to get an idea of what's happening. So for right now, at least, oil had a very strong day, and we finally seem to have popped above this previous uptrend line here on the weekly time frame. And for right now, it looks pretty solid. My last video, I was actually looking for oil to bump the 47, 12, 20 level or something like that, and then seeing a reversal. So there's a lot of strength, at least apparent strength, in the market right now for crude. And I was looking for some kind of a breakdown of this level here, but that did not really happen at all. As you can see, we continued to grind higher. The 50 was acting as the main resistance that I believe I mentioned in my last video. And as it goes right now, we are above that level and actually testing the recent highs here that we had last week. So in general, it's kind of a 50-50 move here. It's either crude breaks higher and breaks that 47.30 level here and moves higher now that it's back above this trend line, or this could potentially be a fake and then we might see a retracement. So it remains to be seen of what happens with crude here. I believe that in my own opinion, I believe that price has moved up a little too much too fast, and I'm very curious to see what's going to happen with this trend line here. So if we do end up holding this trend line that we failed to hold last time, and it's been acting as resistance along with that 50 period simple moving average, it's there's a lot going on here, and it's kind of difficult to call on exactly what happens. So let me just go ahead and give both sides of the coin, and whatever you choose to do, I hope it works out in your favor. So let's just say that oil does hold this level here. Looking at this 4-hour time frame, that's what you'd want to see is 47 basically act as the new support now that we've broken above the resistance here. So you want to see 47 hold as your support, and then you want to see a break. If you're bullish, you want to see a break north above this 47.30 level, and that'll give way to maybe this 48 level or so. So a few more cents up higher, and let's just see here if there's anything else that I might be missing. Um, Not really seeing too much beyond that. So I mean, again, if we did get back above this 47.30, we'd be looking at like 48 level, 48.20, something like that. And then you want to see this 47.30 level hold as the new support, and then you'd be talking about price action within this area here. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see here that I have the golden cross occurring, and on a daily time frame, still looking a little either way for me. I'm not too convinced yet. I have my buy signal generated here on a daily time frame. We've kind of seen this push before, so I'm just reluctant to give it the green light and say that all is clear with oil here. So either way, so if you happen to be going short, betting against this move up here at around 47.30, good luck to you. I hope it works out. If this trend line does not hold and you're shorting, or you're looking to go long, um, you know, I wouldn't be so aggressive in this area. Is what I'm trying to is the message I'm trying to convey. So, I'm just going to be patient, sit back, relax, and kind of see what happens here. I do believe that this is going to be still a little bit of resistance, even though we're above it right now. And I'm referring to this uptrend line here. So, let's just say that it doesn't work out and that, oil is unable to really, pop and it ends up coming back down. So this is the level you're going to want to see hold as the support level here. And honestly, if that folds, then you want to see this 43.80 level hold. And beyond that, obviously, common sense, you want to see these lows hold. So those are the areas that you want to look at as far as both the long and the short side. If we do end up kind of going higher into the end of the week, then I'd say that potentially if this as I mentioned earlier, if this 47.30 becomes a new support level, you have a intersection here, and usually at those periods you have a reversal of whatever's happening in the market. So if you were seeing price action come up, by the time it gets to this level, you'll start seeing it come down. If it's going down, you may see it go up. So that's what you're going to be looking at heading into the end of the week. It's going to be kind of a swing cost, and beyond that, I'll be updating you on the weekend, and we'll go from there. But In any case, I'm on Wall Street. This has been a presentation of thetradersperspective.com. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for subscribing. If you have any questions, feel welcome to reach out to me on the website or at thetradersperspective at yahoo.com. Have a wonderful rest of the week.